recording. Alright. I wanted to show you guys a sauce I came up with, and it's real simple to make. We take about half ranch, maybe it's a little too much, but oh well. Half barbecue. We decided some cheap honey barbecue sauce. And I gotta get about half and half ranch barbecue. That'll do. Add some more later. Add some honey. And some mustard. Just now notice everything we got here is Walmart brand. A little more mustard.
There's a seal.
There's a lid in it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's enough. Maybe too much. And here is the kicker: sweet Thai chili sauce. And this is not Walmart brand, but we do have some Walmart brand to put in there when this runs out.
Case.
Add a little bit to taste. Yeah, maybe a little more. Tap. Mix thoroughly. And maybe I should have put a little bit more barbecue sauce, but this will be alright.
Yeah.
I usually want a 50-50 mix of half and half. And then add the honey and mustard. There you have it. What I call Richard's Skinny Dipping Sauce. There's nothing skinny about it, I just like the name. And if you don't want to use the Thai chili, then what you have is honey barbecue or honey mustard barbecue ranch. Click.